Welcome back to Rick's Grill on the Road. We're here in Lopez Island, Washington, filming some bike porn this weekend with a big whack of friends. Check it out.
How was it? Oh, fantastic. Blissful.
In line with the truth, this eventually will end, but only one way or two. I don't mind and I don't care about the things that you do. Could you please consider this when you act the way you do? What solution for confusion? Best is being renewed. Everything you say relates to being so misconstrued. Can I tell you for the record that it's starting to bruise? Your love's so complicated, you're denying the feud. You live like you wanted to. Didn't put in sense in logic, you're the one that I blame. You're someone who's repossessing that they're all in the same train of thought, but you told me it's all just a game. Question that I'm asking myself is if I wanna play, how long I'm willing to play.
Tell me about the day here.
Oh man, it's been a treasure. How fun, how nice. There's the ocean. What do you want?